Today I am putting the finishing touches on my gluten-free cookbook. So I'm in recipe development stage today, just checking out a few recipes and doing all my own photography. My name's Dominique Ludwig and I'm a nutritionist, and we have builders in, so it's really loud at the moment. So I've made a watercress soup, which is gluten-free obviously, but instead of bread I have gone for my chickpea wedges. These have got grated courgette in them. I cook them like a pancake and they're a fantastic bread alternative because they're so much better than the gluten-free bread you get in the gluten-free aisles that are filled with potato starch, rice starch, corn starch, emulsifiers. This is just made with gram flour or chickpea flour, and they've got a good bite to them. They stick together, they're higher in protein, they're higher in fibre, and they'll keep you full up for longer. And they taste delicious. So if you want to get your hands on the gluten-free cookbook, watch this space. I'm going as fast as I can with builders in. So we're doing it as quickly as we can. It'll be available very soon.